Hey everybody, it's Miss Boone with another Astro video. So today we are going to be discussing Mars entering the sign of Capricorn. So Mars just entered Capricorn as of today, and it will stay in Capricorn until March 6th, 2022. So let's get into it. So Mars is a fire planet, okay? And Mars co-rules both Aries and Scorpio. Mars deals with our drive, our passions, sexual desire, sexual drive, and courage, and a lot of other things. But we're just going to discuss those for right now. So, with Mars entering Capricorn, okay, because Mars is exalted in Capricorn. So, we'll have the fuel to do the necessary work. What work have you been needing to do? Okay. What work have you been putting off? What work have you been kind of lazy with? Because you know Uranus is in Taurus, okay? And Taurus and Capricorn trine each other. So what comforts have you been too comfortable in? Okay. What things have you been procrastinating in? Okay, that you really need to do. You'll have the energy, the motivation to do the work that you've been putting off in the past. And you'll actually have the motivation to actually do the necessary work that you need to do in the current reality, what you need to be doing right now. And even in the future, you know, you'll have that motivation to put the necessary steps in order to accomplish whatever future goals that you need to accomplish, okay? Also, you'll have the courage to tackle your goals, right? So has it required for you to reach out to certain people, right? Has it required for you to make the necessary connections that you need to make? As far as broadcasting yourself, you promoting yourself, right? You putting in energy towards your image, okay? How you want to be perceived by the public, okay? Because that all deals with the 10th house. That's where Mars is transiting Capricorn on the 10th house, okay? Also, this is just predictions you want to watch out for. You want to watch out for explosions, okay? At the workplace, whether they are intentional or accidental. Okay, this is all Mars energies. Okay, you want to be watching for gun violence. Once again, intentional, accident, gun violence at the workplace, and just violence in general. Okay, arguments. Okay, people, busting at the seams. Okay, people going off on people. People having built up anger, built up frustrations, and they're just letting it out because Mars is like, okay, I'm with it. I'm the soldier. Like, it is what it is. I'm not thinking right now. This stuff has been built up because Capricorn is the earth element, so it can deal with the residual effects. Okay, so you want to watch out for that. Sexual misconduct. Okay, Pluto is still in Capricorn, and Mars will eventually be conjunct Pluto. So sexual misconducts that, once again, have happened in the past because Mercury is going to be entering Capricorn retrograde. So sexual misconducts that have happened, people, going to war about particular sexual misconducts, meaning that they're trying to get remedied for, the hurt and everything else that they've been going through, okay? Them trying to get remedy for that, okay? And watch out for any new sexual misconduct, okay? So people just acting out of control, okay? People overstepping their boundaries, overstepping their physical boundaries. Mars deals with the physical body as well, so people overstepping their physical boundaries, okay? Them being pulled by, whatever. So you want to watch out for that. You want to watch out for accidents at home, okay, and at work, okay? Machinery, okay? Any type of metal work, any type of working with fire, okay? Any type of electrical things, okay? Because once again, Mercury is going to be retrograde in Capricorn as well too. So you want to be careful, okay? Especially as it pertains to, physical harm that may happen, okay? Whether it be, injuries to the knee, breaking bones, all those things, because once again, that's Capricorn ruled physical aspects of the body. And the last thing I want to mention is you want to be aware of issues at home, okay? Because Mars is going to be Opposing Cancer, things can be popping off at home. Okay, so the same thing that I just explained about the workplace can definitely be going on at home. Gun violence, okay? Explosions in the home. Home repairs, especially as it pertains to water and fire. So whether it be pipes leaking and, causing, more issues, foundational aspects of the home, that's Capricorn, foundational aspects of the home that have been needing to be repaired, but then it creates a bigger issue. Or once again, fires at the home as far as like, kids, accidentally, starting a fire. That can definitely go on, or you accidentally starting a fire or something like that, okay? And so those are just the positives and the negatives of what can be going on this transit. So that concludes my Mars and Capricorn transit, okay? Do the necessary work that you need to do. Put yourself out there. Write your goals down. Set intentions, not just for the year, but small goals, okay? A month, maybe even a week, 3 months, 6 months, etc., okay? Do the necessary work that needs to be done as far as doing the small things that you need to do, as far as creating new habits, okay? It doesn't matter how small it is, okay? Do the necessary work. Real work comes through practice, okay? And y'all have a good Mars and Capricorn transit. Once again, like I mentioned, it's gonna be here from now. What's today? The 24th until March the 6th. Okay. Use this energy. Okay. It's really fueling us. Okay, to do what we need to do. Okay. As far as like getting certain goals accomplished, as far as career, profession aspects, as far as being known, like what are we wanting to be known, as far as what we do out in the world, like how are we wanting to come across to the public, okay? Any type of revisions that you need to do with putting yourself out there, promotional stuff, all of those things, okay? So y'all enjoy, utilize it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.